How to attract new users to Temu. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to bring more new users to Temu, you can follow the simple effective strategies. So first of all, you can utilize the Temu Referral program. So invite new users and earn bonuses when they sign up using your referral link. You can share this link on your WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and various forms. The more people who join and make purchases, the greater your rewards. You can also share posts about exclusive deals, discounts, and special offers, create videos on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook or any other social media platforms, and demonstrate how to save money when shopping on Temu. You can also join the Facebook shopping groups and spread your referral link over there. You can work with micro influencers on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. You can provide them with a unique referral code to share with their followers. And you can also host a giveaway for Temu gift cards that require participants to sign up using your link. Encourage them to tag friends and share your post to expand your audience. And write blogs, posts, or reviews focused on Temu shopping tips, best deals, and ways to save. Use SEO techniques to ensure that your contents rank well on Google when users search for Temu discounts. You can also use Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or Google ads to target the online shoppers and emphasize the significant savings, referral rewards, and popular products. You can also join forums like Reddit, Quora, or deal sharing websites, respond to questions about saving money on Temu, and include your referral link. And that's it. And the essence of attracting new users to Temu is to creatively share your referral link while delivering value, deals, and incentives. The more effort you put into promotion, the more rewards you can earn. So, this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.